everybody, Diana here. The questions I receive most frequently recently is, Diana, what is the market doing? Well, my answer is almost always the same. The market is just doing, the market or the markets are just doing fine, because they are nothing else but a reflection, a manifestation of what the people are thinking, about what the people are doing, or what the people are fearing or hoping for. So the questions I receive from these investors are, they are hoping for to find the best deals, and they want to know, is the market down? I want to buy at the absolute low, which makes sense. However, that is almost like winning in the lottery. My recommendation is to find a real local realtor. We know the markets are global, but at the same time they are very, very local. And you need, in order to have a successful transaction, you need to be working with a local realtor, either commercial or residential, who knows the market intimately and can advise you on what is best for you, depending on your very personal goals and visions. Because are you a realtor who wants to be able to look at the investment, drive by, take care of toilets, termites, and what have you, be hands-on, or do you prefer to be a investor who wants to invest in bigger properties, in diverse properties, in areas you don't care about where? However, they are upcoming markets, they are not contracting markets. Do you want to invest in REITs? Do you want to invest in turn-off properties? There are so many possibilities depending on the individual needs and wants. My recommendation is to find a good realtor who has the network of all the experts necessary to make your investment profitable for a long, long time. My name is Diana Call. I'm a realtor with Keller Williams nationwide. I'm presently working out of Houston. I'm licensed in New York and Georgia. And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me, 347-842-8880. Also, I would love if you would stay in contact with me, connect with me on LinkedIn or Facebook, or subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until we speak in person, be well and take care.